So here we are again. I've charged up my ENYA NOVA U Pro tenor with acoustic pickup, which is surprisingly quite amazing, I think. So I've charged it up, I've tuned it up, and I've plugged it into my amp, so we can do an amp sample first. So this is just one of my Bluetooth portable amp pickups that I have that runs to my amplifier. And can I just say, with the ENYA NOVA strings, it sounds quite nice tuned up, but the ENYA NOVA strings are nice. They're quite thick, actually. I quite like the strings. They remind me of the ones I use on my Pono tenor, which are AG, AQs, or Aldrin Guerrero Aquillas. These are not Aldrin Guerrero Aquillas, but they feel very similar. They feel nice and thick. So, strap I've attached, and the good thing about the strap buttons is they're the mushroom head buttons. So if I take this strap off here for a minute, I might not be able to get it back on again, but it's got that little mushroom head on it. See that little mushroom head there? Which means once you've attached your strap, there ain't no chance of it falling off in a hurry. So the mushroom strap buttons are very, very handy. They're the better ones to have, I think. I've got one ukulele with one of the other type of strap buttons, and the strap just keeps falling off it. So I don't use that uke very much. But anyway, let's do a bit of a sound sample. Sounds quite nice, doesn't it? So that's not plugged in. So it's quite loud. I can hear it quite loudly. Now I'm going to switch my little amp on, and I'm not even going to put it up all the way. Oh, can you hear that? So my amp's quite on the other side of the room, actually. Can you hear that? Sounds quite nice plugged in to the amp. That's not even using the acoustic effects. To use the acoustic effects, let's have a little look. I'm going to turn the amp off now, and we're just going to go totally 100% acoustic. So I'll turn that little baby off, take him out, no longer plugged into my amplifier. Fully acoustic. Let's try that again. Quite a bit of sound about it. It was the start and end of every day. Hats off, heads down, whose turn it is to pray. Gather round, crying and laughing, more than just the biscuits we were passing. We learned the words kids shouldn't say, and that's to be excused before you walk away. And all life's lessons you can't find on no label right there on Mama's kitchen table. Let's have a look at some picking, just so you can hear some the difference between strumming and picking. This is Arpeggio meditation. Daniel Ward's songbook for ukulele. So that's just fully acoustic, no effects on. Let's try that again now, and I'm going to turn my acoustic pickup on. So note, I'm not plugged into anything, nothing's going to my amplifier, totally acoustic amplification now. So I press and hold that button until I get a little green light on there, a little green light on which indicates it's on. And I've had a bit of a muck around with it. So it sounds, I think it'll sound best for you guys on the video if I have the volume up nice and high. And I'm going to play with the reverb first, okay? So have a listen, no reverb. Okay, no acoustic reverb there. Now I'm going to turn the reverb on. See if you can hear any difference. Doesn't that reverb sound lovely? Reverb sounds really lovely. I can see myself using that for just those arpeggio meditation type things. What does it sound like strummed? Hear that? Just a 4x6 slab of Georgia pine. Coffee stains cover up that chipped and eggshell wine. Dad bought it new in 1982, and it ain't left that dining room since it rolled off that Sears assembly line. Ooh, hear that reverb. Right, so that's the acoustic pickup on the reverb. I'm going to turn the reverb off now. So I'll just dial that one right back. And the other acoustic pickup effect that we have here is called chorus. Not sure that there's too much use for this out there, in my playing anyway. It gives like a little echo, 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 echo sound as you're playing. Can you hear that? Don't know that there's a lot of use for that out there, because I've tried picking a meditation thing over it and it just got really distracting as to where I was at. I'll show you what I mean. Are we ready? Oops. Distracting that is. I forget where I'm at in the music. sure that I'd find any use for the chorus effect. It's just as distracting when you're strumming, so let's do a bit of a strum with the chorus effect on. I'm not a big fan of it. Maybe I just need to find the right song to use that chorus effect on. It only kind of tends to work if it's like 3/4 of the way on. So there's no softer and louder. I haven't found that there's no real softer and louder with that. It's, oh yeah, there's a bit softer. Anyway, can't see that I'll be using the chorus effect, but the reverb effect I really like. Hello, Mr. Friswell, how are you? And Julie, the notes are very clear. I'm imagining raindrops falling on a pond. Yes, that's exactly what that chorus effect sounds like. It's like you almost need to just have a song where you're just strumming one chord and just letting it ring out before you move on to another chord. Yeah, I'm sure there's some use for it. Maybe I might be able to find a use for it with the 9-barrow stuff that I play. But just the picking, it's just too much. Too many raindrops falling, Julie. Too many raindrops falling. I'm going to go back to reverb. I like it. And I'll do that arpeggio meditation one more time for you so you can get a feel for it. Reverb is nice. So that is the ENYA NOVA Pro Tenor with acoustic pickup. The acoustic pickup again has the reverb and the chorus effects. You have to plug it in down the bottom here. There's a little slot there where you plug in a USB cable to charge it up so you can use the effects. The strings feel really nice. They're not your cheap, horrible Aquila strings. They're actually really nice strings. I can say with all honesty that I will be ordering my strings for this ukulele through ENYA NOVA. And I do hope that they make a low G string as well, because I do like playing low G, and if they do, that might encourage me to buy another ENYA NOVA Pro Tenor so I can have a high G and a low G version. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm going to sign off here, and I hope this inspires you all to get your ukes out and have a play. And if you're looking for a polycarbonate ukulele at a very, very reasonable price, I picked this one up for $233 from Swamp. So, pretty good deal. No worries, everybody. See you later.